Hey everyone, it's the Excellent Dude again with another Excel how-to video. In this quick video, I'll show you how to combine the values from multiple cells into a single cell. In this example, I have a list of salutations and first and last names. In the far right column, I have a heading called full name because I'd like to have the salutation and first and last names combined. So the goal would be to grab the values of 3 cells and combine them into the full name cell. Let's begin by trying equals B3 plus C3 plus D3 and press enter. We get an error because we're asking Excel to do a math function on text. The solution is to replace the plus sign with the ampersand, which will append values. We'll now modify the formula in cell E3 to be equals B3 and C3 and D3 and press enter. Now we have the information from the 3 columns now in the full name column. However, there are no spaces between the salutation and the first and last names. The fix to add spaces is as follows. We'll modify the current formula in cell E3. After the first ampersand, I'll add quotes and a space and quotes followed by another ampersand. This will put a space between the salutation and the first name. Next we'll add another space after the first name by adding another quote and space and quote with one more ampersand. I'll click enter and now we have spaces between the salutation and the first and last names. Now to copy this to the remaining rows under the full name heading, we can highlight the cell and look for the autofill handle at the bottom right. Double-click and the remaining rows will be updated with the formula. Well, that's it for this video. As you can see, it's not too difficult to combine the values from multiple cells into one cell. If you find my videos informative, please give this video a thumbs up. If you like learning about Excel, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification icon to be notified when I release new videos. Or if you'd like to learn a topic that I haven't covered yet, please leave your suggestions in the comments section below. Thanks again and have an excellent day.